Hi guys, we are now looking for the missing angle. Here's the angle that's missing, theta. Your task, your mission is to find what theta is. It's a pronumeral. Theta, the Greek letter. Theta, pronounced theta, T-H-I-T-A. Theta, that's what we're looking for. How do we find it? Well, the good news is they have given us two lengths. 7 over here, and across here, the hypotenuse, we are given 15. So first step we need to do is work out the trig ratio. Is it a sine, a cos, or a tan? And then once we make that decision, then we're going to use a shift, second function, or inverse on your calculator twice so we can derive and deduce what this theta is in fact. So in this example, we're looking for the angle. Let's begin the process. There's two steps, as I said. First of all, let's decide what trig ratio we have. Well, they've only given us one length here and a length here. So let's have a look at the relationship with this theta so we can work out the ratio. So theta, well, since they gave us a 7, across there, what's that going to be relative to theta? It's going to be opposite, isn't it? So we have an opposite thing happening here. Let me just write that in there. So straight across we have opposite. And then we have hypotenuse. There's the hypotenuse dude happening. Okay, so let's write down the trig ratio. It's going to be opposite of a hypotenuse, which is, of course, sine theta. Let's write that down. Sine theta, which is the pronumeral we're looking for, equals opposite over hypotenuse, which equals, what have we got? We've got 7 over 15. 7 over 15. Okay, cool. Now, our task is to work out what theta is. So this is how we do it. Remember I mentioned earlier, second function on your calculator, or inverse, or what's another one? Second function, inverse, or shift function. So it gives you two things on the same button on your calculator. So let's do that now. So if we have sine theta equaling 7 on 15, let me put that in brackets because that's a fraction there. We can actually simplify the 7 over 15 and change it into its decimal. So the way to do that on your calculator, you probably know how, but you can go 7 divided by 15. That'll give you the decimal. So we can do that. We can go sine theta equals 7 divided by 15 on the calculator is 0.466. So that's 0.466. Let's write that down. 0.4666. Repeater. The 6 goes on forever. So we've got that. Now, let's do this. Since sine theta equals that, we've got a second function in it. So then we go theta equals sine, little power to the minus 1. See that minus 1? It's a little minus 1 there. That means shift or inverse or second function, whatever you have on your calculator. Then in brackets, we put this decimal in there. So we go 0.4666, like that. And then we press the button, so we go shift, get the calculator out, and we go shift or second function, and we write down 0.466, and we come up with the answer, which is 27. So theta equals 27, and this will be in decimal, 0.818. Now, that's what theta equals. Now, that's in decimal form. We're going to change it into degrees and minutes as asked in the question. And the way to do that is second function DMS, or second function degrees, minutes, seconds. There's a button there on your calculator. So depending on your calculator, you go theta equals second function, or DMS, second function DMS, and then press equals. And your answer will be turned into 27 degrees and 49 minutes.
Take a minute to check out our website at http://www.vividmaths.com. You'll find additional resources, cheat sheets, transcripts, and other maths videos that are not available on YouTube. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to get access to all the written answers for your maths questions, plus other special offers.